Hi guys, this is Miss Darcia here. I have an art project for you today. It's straw fireworks. Parents, you take the straws and you take and cut them up into little slits. I have 2 straws, blue paint, red paint, and a piece of paper. You just stick the straws into the paint like so. You give it to the koalas and let them make fireworks. Splash, splash, splash. And you take and let them dip it in the red one. Give it to the koalas and let them make some fireworks. And voila! Happy Independence Day, guys. I miss you. I'll see you Monday. Mwah!